Guys, with Gmail's new confidential mode, users can send messages with an expiration date or revoke the recipient's access at any point, according to a Gmail help post. In an effort to help users protect their sensitive email content, Gmail's confidential mode disables the forward, copy, print, and download options for recipients. Confidential mode prevents recipients from accidentally sharing an email, said the post, but it doesn't stop recipients from taking screenshots or photos of sensitive messages. Users with malicious computer programs could still copy or download messages in confidential mode. The feature is now available for iOS and Android as well. Open Gmail application in your device and then tap Compose in the Gmail app. Write the email and then in the top right corner, click on Confidential mode. Now set an expiration date, passcode and other controls which applies to the messages, text and attachments. If you choose no SMS passcode, Gmail app users will be able to open it directly. Recipients who don't use Gmail will have a passcode emailed to them. If you choose SMS passcode, recipients will get a passcode by text message. Make sure you enter the recipient's phone number instead of your own. Now tap Done or tap on Send. Guys, if you are an iOS user, you can also follow this process. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also like the video and share with your near and dear ones. Bye bye, take care.